Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr. Aslam Physics. Today we are going to discuss about Coulomb's law in vector form. In previous video we have elaborated about Coulomb's law, okay, but in this video we will learn about Coulomb's law in vector form. You will face a very important question in exam like this. So by using the Coulomb's law in vector form, that forces exerted by 2 point charges on each other are equal and opposite. So after the solving of Coulomb's law in vector form, so we will get the answer of this question. So let's start this video. Coulomb's law in vector form. Consider 2 point charges q1 and q2 separated by a distance r as shown. Okay, so you can see a very good pictorial graph. q1 and q2 separated by a distance small r. Got it? In the place of positive q1 we will take magnitude of q1, okay, is equal to q1, and negative magnitude of negative q2 is equal to q2. No problem. So Coulomb's force acting on q1 due to q2. In generally we know that about Coulomb's force and Coulomb's law, F is equal to k q1 q2 upon r square. But in vector form we will take like this, and you will write force on 1 due to 2, force on point 1 due to 2. Okay, vector f12 is equal to k magnitude positive q1 magnitude negative q2 upon r square r21 cap. R21 cap is equal to k q1 q2 upon r square r21 cap. What is r21 cap? R21 cap is the unit vector directed from q2 to q1. R21 q2 to q1. Got it? So similarly force acting on q2 due to q1 is given by force on q2. You can see in pictorial graph force on q2 due to q1, and you will write force vector f21, force on 2 due to 1 is equal to k q1 q2 upon r square r12 cap. What is r12 cap? R12 cap is the unit vector directed from q1 to q2. R12 q1 to q2 directed. Okay, so you can see a pictorial graph, very good pictorial graph. So let's start the next step. In pictorial graph you can see here the direction of r12 cap and direction of r21 cap, both are coming to each other. So you can write r21 cap plus r12 cap is equal to 0, and from this you will write r21 cap is equal to negative of r12 cap. Okay, so therefore equation number 2 can be written as f21 vector f21 is equal to minus of k q1 q2 upon r square r21 cap. Okay, so from equation 2 and 3 you will write vector of f12 is equal to negative f21. This is f21, and according to this is equal to f12. Okay, so you will write vector of f12 is equal to negative vector of f21. What is it? This is showing that the forces exerted by 2 point charges on each other are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. So you can see here equal in magnitude of negative will be equal to positive, and magnitude of this will be positive. Okay, so both are same in magnitude, but negative sign is showing that opposite in direction. Okay, so we will learn about unit of charge. What is unit of charge? The SI unit of electric charge is Coulomb. We know that according to Coulomb's law, F is equal to k q1 q2 upon r square. If q1 is equal to q2 is equal to 1 coulomb, and k is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 newton meter square per coulomb square, and r is equal to 1 meter for unit charge. So putting this value in equation number first, so you will find F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 newton meter square per coulomb square. In place of q1 q2 1 square coulomb square upon 1 square. In place of r meter square. So calculated by some terms, so you will find the value of F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. So again we will put some important values. Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q coulomb. In question number first, in place of F 9 into 10 to the power 9, in place of K 9 into 10 to the power 9, in place of Q1 Q2 is equal to Q coulomb, so it will be Q square. In place of R1, so it will be 1 square. So calculated by this, so you will get Q square is equal to 1 square, and finally you will get Q is equal to plus minus 1 coulomb. This is a definition of 1 coulomb. So you can write this: 1 coulomb can be defined as charge which repels equal and similar charge placed at a distance of 1 meter from it in vacuum or air with a force of 9 into 10 to the power 9. This is saying that if we put 2-point charges in vacuum, distance between them 1 meter, then they will realize a force. The value of force will be is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. So I hope you liked my video, and thanks for watch my video, and we will meet in next video. Thank you so much.